Good hair care between haircuts helps you to maintain healthy texture and shine. While commercial hair care products contain enriching ingredients that keep your hair looking good, treating yourself to a hot oil treatment with coconut, olive or jojoba oil will add that extra healthy glow to your hair. It's easy, it's fun, and we'll show you how to do it. Step number 1. Buy coconut oil. It is available in the baking section of many grocery stores since it has been found to be a healthy alternative to vegetable oils. It is also common at specialty and import grocery stores, and at some beauty supply stores. Coconut oil is usually sold in a jar. It is solid at room temperature but will turn to a liquid in the palm of your hand. It melts at a relatively low temperature. You can also use olive oil as the main oil in the treatment. Olive oil is a natural moisturizer and can help with dandruff, but does not have the protein-preserving properties of the coconut oil. Olive oil is liquid at room temperature, but will heat well using the same method as the coconut oil treatment. Step number 2. Wash your hair. The same day you plan to do a hot oil treatment on your hair, wash it to ensure it is clean. Avoid using any hair care products at this time, such as mousses, gels or hairspray, as these may prevent the hot oil from penetrating the hair follicles. Step number 3. Make a water bath. In a saucepan, bring 1 cup 250 milliliters of water to a boil. Step number 4. Heat your coconut oil. Take 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of coconut oil and place it in a small bowl or mug. Place the small bowl or mug in the water on the stove. Add 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters of olive oil if your scalp is dry or you have dandruff. Add 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters of jojoba oil for fungal scalp problems. Jojoba oil is a natural fungicide. Allow the oil to sit for a few minutes until it is warm but not hot. You do not want to burn yourself with the hot oil. Remove the oil cup with an oven mitt. Step number 5. Wet hair, if it is not already wet. It should be damp, but not soaking. Step number 6. Massage the oil into your scalp using fingertips dipped in the hot oil. Working your way from roots to ends, massage all the hot oil into your hair. Step number 7. Heat a towel with a hair dryer or clothes dryer. Wrap your hair with the towel and allow it to sit for 20 minutes. Alternately, place hair under a clean shower cap, processing cap, or plastic bag and either sit under a heat cap or steamer for 15 to 20 minutes, or just allow your body heat to nourish your hair during the treatment. Step number 8. Wash and rinse hair thoroughly. Style as usual. Step number 9. Repeat once per month. This will protect your hair from protein loss and keep it smooth, shiny, and beautiful. Thanks for watching video. Please do like and share video if it is helpful for you. Subscribe for more videos and press the bell icon for all latest updates.